Page 62, Star Quest. I look it over, it's about 2 half pages. I don't know how, I mean, you can see how long it is. It's half of this page and half of the next, more or less. Okay. Treble bass clef, 4/4 time signature, all this bunch of quarter notes and half notes and whole notes. Dotted half notes, we'll think we can handle all that. The hands appear to be, for the most part, playing one hand at a time, so I'm going to take both hands together here. The left hand starts with 5th finger on G here. That puts the hand here. The right hand starts with 4th finger on G. That puts the hand here. So you're kind of sharing this D position. And there are some F sharps and C sharps and things. We'll deal with those later. So it's, and when I get to the F or C sharp or whatever, I'm going to use the same finger that's on the white key as here. When I get there, if I can. You can't always do that, but that's what we're trying to do. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get the idea? Let's go over to measure 7. Remember, the numbers in the little boxes at the beginning of the lines, those are measure numbers. So you find measure 7. It's 2 over from measure 5. Huh? 1, 2, now A here. Hold that down. And then a B here. So now you're playing the hands together. Now on measure 12, you have a D and an F sharp together. So start on measure 11. We're here, here, and then here. Okay. That's pretty much the piece, actually. Then once I have an idea what the hands are doing, then I'll go over it, say maybe a line at a time or so, and I'll get rid of any hesitations. And I'm keeping it slow right now. The speed comes later. The slowest you got to go, but no hesitations. Then I add the articulation, and this is fairly connected. I don't know why they're giving you a slur or phrase, whatever it is, for the measure 9 and 10 and so forth. They want you to connect the notes. Then lift up. I guess they're giving you the phrasing to help you out a little bit. It's just in measure 12. Lift up. Just a little silence, like taking a breath. Yeah. And then on measure 16 here, lift up before you go on. Again, like taking a breath. These could be 2 measure phrases. It's up to you and how you interpret it. I could go here. Lift up. It's like a statement reply thing. Or 4 measure phrases. It's interpretation. You choose, or your teacher will choose how you choose to interpret the phrases. There's nothing in the music that indicates it, but they don't always indicate everything. So I don't know why they chose not to, but you can still put in the phrasing. If you hear the musical thoughts, you can put them in. Phrase them, that is. Then after that, I do the dynamics. This is loud. Here. And then measure 9. Now you're soft. Whatever you think soft is. Yeah, whatever. Now measure, 16, 15, 16, you're going to get louder. It's soft. To measure 15, a little louder, louder. Now measure 17, we're loud. Like you were at the beginning. Okay. Those are the dynamics. But again, once you get into it and feel it, you can feel the dynamics. You might get a little louder and softer if you feel it. And then the speed, well, it's like a march. Left, right, left, right. That 120 is about a march. Left, right, thing. Left, right, left, right, all the way through. Now, once you can play this with no hesitations, at least slowly, let's play it together and check that you have the correct notes and rhythms. The rhythms are a little bit tricky here. I'll give us 4 counts. Now, I'm not doing dynamics. We're not performing it. No louds and softs, it's just playing the notes. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, shit. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, rest. There's a duet for this. I'd like to play that. You play what you just played, but I need you to go up an octave. So pretend the middle C on the keyboard instead of here is up here. And instead of here, you're up here. Play it up here. I'm going to speed this up a bit. I don't know that I'll take it full speed, but we're going to speed it up a little bit. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go.